Life on the Earth, EVS-II. Let us take on this lesson in three parts: the formation of the Earth, the beginning of life on the Earth, and the animal world on the Earth. The formation of the Earth. There are some questions we all wonder about, and I'm sure, boys, you too have the same thoughts. How did the earth on which we live come to be? What really happened at the beginning? When did that happen? Was it always the way we see it today? Or has it undergone some changes? What exactly are those changes? Scientists have come to the conclusion after their scientific research that this earth actually started 4.5 billion years ago. An enormous cloud of hot gases and dust spinning at a very great speed was formed in space. It had circular motion, and with great speed it began to divide into small portions, thus creating the sun and the planets that revolve round the sun. This is the solar system that was formed, with its 8 planets revolving round the sun. They are all in line. We begin with the closest: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The solar system. The beginning of life on the Earth tells us that the Earth is the only planet where life is known to exist. After the formation of the Earth, it took around 80 crore years for this Earth and its surface to cool down. It was a hot ball of fire till then, and all the water bodies to be formed in the form of seas, rivers, oceans, lakes. And it is believed that various kinds of unicellular organisms or living things first appeared in water. They are known as the protozoa. They are unicellular because they have only one cell. Gradually, multicellular living things developed from these unicellular ones. Now, the protozoa are so tiny that they cannot be seen with our naked eye. We need an optical instrument known as the microscope to see these tiny organisms. A microscope is used to see fine objects. We move on to the animal world on the earth. Now, the living world on the earth consists of animals and plants, but today we are going to talk about the animal world. The animals are actually divided into 2 categories: the wild and the domestic. Wild animals live in jungles and forests, while the domestic animals, cat, dog, cow, these are animals domesticated by humans. What are the main characteristics of animals? Firstly, animals breathe. The inhaling and exhaling is just natural, like us humans. Animals move in order to get their food and for other purposes. Animals of some species lay eggs, and their young ones are born out of eggs. Some animals give birth to their young ones: the platypus, the anteater, the lioness, the tigress, the cow are all animals that give birth to their young ones. And with this, boys, we end this lesson to see our beautiful green earth. Let's keep it green and clean. Before and now, the earth looks in this manner. Let's love and preserve our earth.